Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install the ChatGPT as an application here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear in this window before we proceed. Once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, please type for ChatGPT. Once you've typed that, please click on Enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So here, please navigate to this OpenAI result at the second and click on this Introducing ChatGPT. Okay, so we just have to wait until we are being redirected to the ChatGPT window itself before we proceed, okay? If it takes some time, you can click on this backward arrow and you can choose another result, okay, where you can download it. So you can use this one to get started. So once you have bring up this window, please sign up your account first or you can log in your account. And once you have logged it in, you can proceed to this three dots, okay, and you need to locate for this cast, save, and share and go with this installed page as application. You can also log in or sign up your account later after the installation. So click on install and the moment you do it, this window would appear. Here, you just have to close or minimize the window, close this window as well. And in that way, you have just successfully installed or download the ChatGPT application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you will check it here at the bottom search bar and try to type for ChatGPT, it will show up as an application under the best match, meaning we have successfully installed it here in your Windows. So your machine asks you if you would like to pin ChatGPT to your taskbar. You can click on yes if you would like to pin it in your taskbar, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Once you're done, you can now enjoy using your ChatGPT, but before that, sign up or logged in your account first before you can continue. Okay? So that's it. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.